In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project on Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Asana or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can set up your project swiftly and efficiently. First things first, let's head over to the Asana website. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and type in Workspace, asana.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Login button. Click on it to proceed. This brings you to the login page, where you have several options to access your account. For simplicity, let's use the Continue with Google option. Click that button and select your Google account from the list that appears. If this is your first time logging in, you might need to grant Asana permission to access your Google account. Once you're logged in, it's time to create your project. Look towards the upper left corner of your Asana dashboard and you'll find a button labeled Create. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu. Here, you want to select Project. This will open a new window where you can start customizing your project according to your needs. Let's choose Blank Project from the options provided. A blank canvas gives you the flexibility to tailor your project structure from scratch. When the new window pops up, it will prompt you to enter a project name. Make sure to choose something descriptive that encapsulates the purpose or goal of the project to help everyone stay focused and aligned. After naming your project, it's crucial to decide on the privacy settings. You have two main choices here. You can keep it private, meaning only designated team members have access, or you can make it public to anyone in your organization. Choose the one that best fits your project's needs for collaboration and confidentiality. Once you've set the privacy, click on Continue. Now it's time to choose how you want to view your project. You can select from List View, Board View, Calendar, or Timeline. Consider the nature of your project and how you and your team work best. The view you choose can significantly impact how effectively you manage tasks and deadlines. Finally, with all these preferences set, find the Create Project button and click it. Congratulations! You've just set up a project in Asana. This new project acts as a centralized hub for all your tasks, communications, and deadlines, enhancing your team's productivity and efficiency. This straightforward process not only saves time but also empowers you to organize your work life comprehensively.